Alright, so what's up? I have an issue with this microphone. Like, I don't know why I have this buzzing sound, like this kind of sound. It's really weird. I'm using the VideoMic Go from Rode right now, and it's really weird because I was just seeing a video of another guy using this same microphone, this same setup, the SL2 Canon, and he doesn't have any hissing sounds. I do have some hissing sounds, but I don't know why. Like, it's so weird. Uh, I actually turned off my Wi-Fi off. I turned my Wi-Fi off. I turned my Bluetooth off. I turned everything off, but there's still this kind of hissing sound, like it's kind of sound. It's really weird. It's really annoying. So I'm trying to find a solution for this, but it doesn't seem there is a solution at the moment. Or is it? Is there a solution? Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just so weird. Um, so I'm just gonna edit this video. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube so we can actually find a solution for this because this is really annoying. So yeah, Reddit, if you have any thoughts about this, please let me know because it's really annoying. So this is my how it sounds with the microphone, and this is how it sounds without the microphone, as you guys can see. So without the microphone, it's clear. It's nice, but I would like to have a directional microphone, so that's why I bought this freaking microphone. So when I connect the microphone, just like that, you can actually hear like this kind of sound. It's really annoying. So, yeah, thanks for watching.